Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see update set. So today is class 10th. The topic is update set. Generally, what is update set? It means like whatever the activities you are going to do in ServiceNow. So that will be stored in one record. That record is like you can see what and all have been done in that particular time. So we will create one update set record, and after creating we will make it as a current, and after that we will do the complete task in our project. Okay, let's see how we have to do it. Before start going to PDI, we will quick see the definition of update set. Okay, so mainly update sets are a mechanism used to capture and move the configurations move the configuration changes from one instance to another. So when you capture all the uh, conditions and coding and all the configurations, so when you are moving to the production, so you will be moving this update set to the production. Okay, configuration. You can say moving the code from one instance to another also. Okay, we have seen that we have a dev and QA and UAT, and then we will move to production. These are the steps, right? So yeah, we'll dive into PDI. So here, so we have to go for local update set. Okay, once you open the local update set, so here we will be creating a record of new update set. So here we'll be giving a name of what is that, April 25. Okay, so state is in progress, parent, um, leave it as it is. So we'll write a description. We are going to capture the config in incident table. Okay, so let it be global. Okay, right click, save. You can click submit also. Okay, so see here, customer updates. So here it is a blank. Okay, so we'll see it. We'll make this as a current one. Make this my current set. So you can see now here in ServiceNow, this is the current update set. Record update something is there here. So now we are making current as April 25. Make this my current set. I think this is done. We'll refresh once the home page and we'll see whether it is got updated or not. Yeah, it is got updated in update set as April 25. This is what we have created now. Okay, so let's go for incident form. Okay, so here we will be creating one incident form. Okay, assume it's loading still. Yeah, we'll take a caller of Abel, Tutor, Rajat, Amar Singh. We'll take Amar Singh or else Virat Kohli. We'll take Virat Kohli. Okay, short description. We are checking update set how it captures. Okay, uh, state is in progress. Medium. Okay, save it. Submit. Once you submit here, once the incident is got submitted, you can go to April 25. See, it is a blank. Okay, once you refresh, you are going to see a magic. Oh, magic has not happened.
Guys, you can see the magic now. So all the records has been captured here. What I've done. So basically I don't know why when we created an incident form it is not capturing. I will rectify it later. So afterwards I have created one catalog item called Flipkart. Okay. So yeah, I have created catalog item, and after saving it and after coming back here after reloading I can see these all the updates what customer has done. Okay, so what all the changes you have updated or what are the configurations you are doing, so everything will be captured here. So once everything is done you have to change to state to completed. So once you change the state to complete you have to save it, and then you can able to see here export to XML. Click on it. So here you can see a form is got downloaded, that is a XML file. Okay, so when you are sending whatever you have done, okay, when you are sending to another instance, so at that time, so you see here, go to local update set. This is April underscore 25. Okay, we'll delete of April 25. So when you're sending, when another instance has to see the April underscore 25 means, so if you have any another instance service now username and the password, you can log in from your friends or someone's. Okay, so here I will be showing from my own from the same instance only, my instance only. So here you see you have to go for the target instance. The target instance will be the your friend's instance or the another instance, okay, to whom you have to going to send the XML file. So there you have to go for filter navigator, you have to search for retrieved update set. So here is a retrieve update set, open it. So here you can see import update set from XML. Click on it and upload the XML file which you have downloaded or which you have sent to your uh, friend. Okay, so once you have opened it and click on update, upload, sorry, you can see April 20 underscore 25 has been retrieved. Okay, so open it, click on preview update set. It got succeeded. After previewing it you have to click on commit update set. Once you're done with commit update set, you are now able to see the April underscore 25 record in your update set. Okay, so let's see it. Let's see the another magic now. Go to update set, go to local update set in the filter navigator. Okay, so after opening it, now you have to see double duplicate April underscore 25 twice. Two records you have to go into see now. Loading, 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 loading. Yeah, guys, now you are going to see two records of April underscore 25, which one we have created and which one we have sent to our friend. Okay, to the target instance. The target instance and the current instance is both here is same. Okay, so this is how update set is going to use. We'll see further how it will be used in our project. Okay, thank you guys.